Imagination is often viewed as a trait we are born with rather than a skill we develop. It is thought to emerge fully formed in the minds of children, but then declines as children are taught the routinized thoughts and behaviors of adults. But the scientific study of imagination reveals that the opposite is true. I'm Andrew Shtulman. I'm a cognitive developmental psychologist. I study conceptual development, including the development of imagination. This research has revealed many ways in which children's imagination is quite limited, but improves with education and reflection. For instance, it's commonly believed that children think anything is possible, but they actually think that very little is possible. They deny the possibility of any event that violates their expectations, including events that are merely improbable, like making pickle-flavored ice cream. It's also commonly believed that children are natural-born innovators, whose fresh perspective allows them to solve problems in creative ways. But children have trouble solving even simple problems. When asked to use a pipe cleaner to retrieve a toy from a tube, few realize that they can bend the pipe cleaner into a hook. Another popular myth is that children are oriented toward fantasy, particularly in their play, but children much prefer realism. When playing, they simulate real-world activities like using tools and doing chores, and they happily abandon pretend play for doing something real. The reason we believe so many myths about children's imagination is that we fail to appreciate the intimate relationship between imagination and knowledge. The more we know, the further our imaginations can wander. So the key to expanding imagination for both children and adults is not forgetting what you know, but learning something new.